very much excited, delighted, enthralled and beguiled to be present in this conference, which was organized by Lung Care Foundation, Lucknow chapter, and it is a great experience. All the stakeholders of the society contributed to it. It was a great learning curve for us also as a bureaucrats, and being representative of forest bureaucracy, we are doing a yeoman service to the state in form of planting trees. We have planted 30 crore trees this year, and we have a target of planting 35 crore trees. As all of you know that we have to plant 10 billion trees in UP to mitigate the effects of climate change, which is a very daunting task, and we will be creating nurseries for it. And we will have a collaborative approach where people in their private land, in agricultural fields, they plant trees and capture carbon as per the targets of Climate Change Department. As far as Lung Care Foundation and air pollution is concerned, lots of suggestions have come. We will incorporate those suggestions in policies and try to implement it. And we will also try to enforce some of the legislations that has been there, and enforcement has been weak. We will try to be very strict on that also. We will also try to suggest to the education department about the suggestions, especially A to Z, the children's made today, the dictionary about the action plans that has to be taken place. So we will try to refer it to education department to incorporate and inculcate them into the syllabus of the students, so that the environmental ethics can be taught at the school level, and general appreciation for the environment and the responsibility can be overall enforced. I would like to thank Mr. A.P. Maheshwari ji, who is taking this welfare approach to society, and I will also try to help him in future for any such events. What we suggested, that there should be a seminar on habit change, because these small habits of pollutions and driving cars based on fossil fuel, switching over to EV, then utilizing these star-rated electrical equipments, all of them, solar panels on your household, all of them will contribute towards reducing air pollution. And we will also try to enforce some of the equipments that was showcased by IIT Kanpur with regards to monitoring of air quality. We have to not only scale it up, but we have to see how we can have a good technology implemented. And we also want some AI-driven technologies in this, so that we can pinpoint who is the most polluter, and from the polluter pay principle, we can enforce some fines on them. So this is a great occasion for us, a great learning curve for us, and I wish congratulations and give my gratitude to the whole organizers, and I wish that in future you will organize much more such events. Thank you.